I'm going to begin this Inglenook switching puzzle in O scale by generating my switch list. You can see that I have the cars numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to generate a random switch list. So again, with some coins, my first car is going to be number 1, and it has to be next to the caboose. The second car, number 3, the steel box car, will be in front of the number 1 car. And I'm going to do a 3-car train. My third car will be number 4, the outside braced box car. The cars that I want to leave here on the siding that are not part of my consist when I leave town: car number 5, the insulated box car, and car number 2, the gondola. Now, according to the Inglenook switching puzzle rules, where you leave the cars on the siding, that's irrelevant. So as I look at my switch list, I can see that the wood-sheathed box car needs to replace the insulated box car next to the caboose. I think I'm going to save that move for almost last. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get my car 3 and car 4 in order that they'll be in the train, and get them both out exposed so that it doesn't get buried by, say, the insulated box car if I were to put it in the siding. So let's go ahead and begin the puzzle. I'm going to leave the cars that are presently on the mainline train out there, and let's go work on cars 3 and 4. I use harp switch stands, so the top of the indicator tells you what direction you're about to go. This locomotive is an old Atlas O gauge locomotive that I re-gauged to On48. And you never can tell when you're picking up a used locomotive on the internet just what you're going to get. This one runs pretty rough. I'm also using KD magnetic uncouplers. Because of the unusual combination of dual gauge here, ON30 and ON48, I had to abandon the KD under-track magnet in favor of super magnets. So the uncoupling zone is kind of narrow. It takes a little finesse sometimes to get it. There we go. So I now have car 3 and 4 in the order that I want them. Let's just put them on, that other siding. Now we can work on getting car number 5 out of the consist of the mainline train. Here comes car number 5. I'll put it on the same siding with car number 2. And again, according to the Inglenook rules, it doesn't matter where you leave these cars. Again, kind of a narrow range on my uncoupling zone for the KD uncouplers. And I just ran through a closed switch. Fortunately, things appear to have stayed mostly on track. I now have my number 1 car positioned next to the caboose, which is in accordance with our consist. 1 by the caboose, 3 in the middle, and 4 up by the locomotive. And there we are. I now have my consist with the wood sheath boxcar number 1 next to the caboose, the steel boxcar number 3 in the middle, and the outside brace boxcar number 4 at the front. Cars number 5 and 2 are left on the sidings. They're not part of our consist. So I've completed the puzzle. At this point, I would just pick up my number coins, deal a new train consist from 1 to 3 cars for the main line, and go ahead and do the puzzle again. Thanks for joining me for Inglenook Switching Puzzle in O-Scale.